All right, our next 24 hours, it should be equally as nice as our previous 24 hours. Now, I know that means for some a little chilly in the morning and the evening, although I don't think tomorrow morning will be as cool as this morning, which in some spots is every bit as cool as it was yesterday morning. But lots of sunshine this afternoon should get those temperatures climbing. We've got a chance to get to 80. We got awfully close in many spots yesterday. There's not much happening satellite radar composite style. There isn't going to be much happening here. We've got a big bubble of high pressure as our big weather player for one more day, bringing us that second of the really nice days. Now it is down to 42 again at the Tallahassee Airport. It's 47 in Valdosta, but we're at 52 in Thomasville. And these are not uncommon temperatures for this time of the day, this time of the year. I see those dew point numbers, upper 30s, low 40s. Tells me the air is still really dry and there's not much of a breeze to stir things up. I'm not expecting fog out there this morning. We'll keep our eyes peeled just in case. At Quincy, we're at 43. In Liberty County, it's 48. In Bainbridge, it's 50. I see 47 in Moultrie and 46 in Perry this morning. If there's going to be a breeze today, we'll notice a little tiny shift more to the west or southwest, and then by tomorrow, more towards the southwest and south. And that's what will start changing the composition of the air a little bit. Maybe tomorrow we start looking for a little bit of patchy fog. I see visibility in Perry down to 3 miles. So we've got a spot or two maybe with a little bit of patchy fog, just a little bit. Now there's not a lot happening around our part of the southeast with this big dome of high pressure, but it will only be here for today and then it moves. As it does, our winds start to shift and come in from the south. There'll be the next piece of energy passing by to the north. So I think what happens here is instead of dragging a boundary along the Gulf Coast and triggering showers and storms all over the place, what happens is most of the activity passes by to the north. That's not to say we can't get some showers as it does make its way from west to east tomorrow. I think we can. Today is still the second of those two nice days. Then we get that energy and we'll talk about some chances for some showers later in the day tomorrow. But a lot of our focus is actually going to shift way out to the west, where the next piece of energy is. That one looks like it's going to have a lot more oomph to it, and that'll be something we're watching for maybe the second half of the upcoming weekend, when some more showers and maybe some more thunderstorms seem to be something we'll be concerned with as we get towards Sunday. As far as today goes, it's still real nice and comfortable and sunny out there. Tomorrow, the clouds increase. We start talking about some shower chances, especially later in the day. It's not going to be an everybody gets wet kind of deal, but we'll be watching for some of those. And then that fizzles out. I see the south winds continuing and the warmer and more humid air sticking around. So we're not going to go straight back to cool down, bright, dry, sunny. I think we keep some combination skies around for Friday and Saturday, and that means we do have some clouds. It will be a little bit more humid. Overnight temperatures are going to stay up a little bit, and we'll start looking for that next energy that's not likely to arrive until maybe late Saturday or early Sunday. With that next energy, that'll be our next chance to talk about some showers and maybe some bigger thunderstorms. So we'll have some things we're watching for the second half of the weekend. Please keep checking in with us. We'll have updates for you. On the Gulf today, good conditions for the boaters. Winds out of the west and southwest, less than 12 knots and seas less than 2 feet. It's 40s and 50s. We'll call it clear and cool this morning. Sunrise time is not till 7:51. I think we get to the upper 70s pretty much across the board today. Sunny, warm, another really nice March afternoon. And then the clouds start returning, I think, late tonight. Most of us will stay closer to 50 tomorrow morning or in the 50s. A little different than this morning when it's a bunch of 40s. You see the Thursday part where we have that 50-50 shot for some showers in the afternoon and the evening. Friday and Saturday doesn't feel like we're going to be talking about getting wet. Maybe late Saturday we start looking west for some showers and storms ahead of that next energy. That gives us our best chance to get wet on Sunday. I think we clear out and have a very nice looking setup for St. Patrick's Day on Monday. But I do think we could find some bigger storms with that next setup maybe on Sunday. So we've got things that we're keeping our eyes on. And you see how the temperatures are staying up even with more clouds after today. So I do not see any cool downs in the next week, but I do think I see a couple of chances for some showers.